I'm Anandita, a student from Vocational High School number 1, Gianyar. I want to ask you something. Have you ever thought of spending your weekends visiting amazing places or filling your gadgets with pictures of beautiful nature? Well, if you ever talk about it, Kantolampo Waterfall is the perfect place. Kantolampo. This mesmerizing waterfall is named after a tree that grows around the waterfall. You can find this waterfall in Gianyar Regency, precisely in Banjar Kelot Kangin, Bang village. It takes approximately 1 to 1.5 hours drive from Denpasar Urarai International Airport. You can reach it less than an hour's drive from Ubud. It is easy to reach the waterfall from the village, and the terrain is gentle enough for even novice hikers. This is very pleasant place for those who visit Kantolampo Waterfall for the first time. Uniquely, this waterfall is located in the middle of village, unlike most waterfalls in North Bali, which are hidden in the forest. And what makes this waterfall even more special is that the water falls through a black rock cliff that is staggered, so that the waterfall does not cause heavy splashes. In addition, the location of Kantolampo Waterfall is considered sacred by indigenous community because it is considered sacred place for mendak toyening or taking holy water for Dewa Yajna and Pitara Yajna ceremony. Kantolampo Waterfall has a large parking area. Local residents work together to manage this tourism attraction so that it's easily accessible to visitors. And you don't have to pay for it because it's free. From the parking lot, you have to walk down the path until you meet the motorcycle parking area. From here, you will see several stalls lined up. And then you have to take the road to the right, then go down the stairs that have been cemented. At the point, you will find the ticket booth. After paying, you can continue your journey to the waterfall. But before heading to the waterfall, you will find a small temple near the next stairs down. Towards the stream. But be careful, the rocks you step on are still flowing with water. Although the iron handrail is quite sturdy, you still have to be careful because the rock surface is uneven. And then, when you get to the bottom, you can walk along the river at the point where you can enjoy the waterfall with its charming flow. You can play with the water by climbing the rocks accompanied by water falling through a gap in the steep cliff. You can also gaze at the beautiful flow of Kantolampo water by leaning on the cliff outside the waterfall. also often used as photo spot by visitors because the scenery is very Instagrammable. Kantolampo is visited by many foreign tourists and will be more crowded on weekends. If you want a quiet atmosphere, you should come on the weekdays. Actually, this tourism spot is open all day or 24 hours. But due to lights and dark constraints, it will be better to come in the morning around 7 a.m. or in the afternoon around 5 p.m. But for those of you who want to get aesthetic photos, come during the day around 11:40 a.m. and the sunlight will beautify your photos. Don't forget to capture this beauty through your favorite gadgets, then spread it to social media and invite your friends to enjoy the beauty of Kantolampo Waterfall. And that's all about Kantolampo Waterfall. I hope that all the information I cover can be useful for all of us. Don't forget to visit Kantolampo Waterfall if you go to Bali. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.